I got one more here, Will. When is this week's blue moon? And what is the meaning behind it? Did you know we're having a blue moon? Once in a blue moon, we get a blue moon. It's happening. This Saturday, the UK is set to experience a rare blue moon that should provide the basis for some stunning pictures. We're going to have to point the P30 Pro at the blue moon and see what happens. Maybe it'll turn into a regular moon. Or maybe it'll be more blue. I don't really know. It's a lunar phenomenon that, in most literal sense possible, occurs once in a blue moon. Quite simply, a blue moon is the name given to any full moon that appears for the second time in a single calendar month. For the avoidance of any doubt at all, the moon will not be turning blue. Did you know that? See, it's not an actual blue moon. Once in a blue moon, the saying. It's a moon. It's a lunar phenomenon that, in the most literal sense possible, occurs once in a blue moon. You see what they did there? You see that, Jack? No. I guess what it is you're not supposed to get a full moon that appears for the second time in a single calendar month. So you only get one full moon per month. You know those like moon calendars? My dad had a watch growing up. It had like the moon calendar on it. So it would say the time, the date, and the moon phase. Yeah, because it's like locked into it. So anyway, Will's got a moon map here. Basically, yeah, you're looking at one full moon a month, unless it's a blue moon, in which case that's twice in 1 month. It happens once in a blue moon.
So it actually doesn't turn.
January and March are typically good months for blue moons. We saw blue moons in both months in 2018.
It's not physically blue.
No, it's not blue. It's not actually blue. It looks like a regular moon unless you use a P30 Pro to shoot it. Yeah, why did they call it a blue moon? And then why did that become a saying once in a blue moon? It's all so confusing. The blue moon, visibly blue. The effect can be caused by smoke or dust particles. So it can look sort of blue, but oh man, it's a lot to take in. You got blue moons, blood moons, full moons, the shrinking moon, the P30 Pro moon. It's a bunch of moons. But anyway, Will, you get two full moons. All right. So I don't know why that matters. I mean, you know what? You can look at something like that. You can look at some news like that and be like, 2 full moons. Psh, I got things to do. I got shows to watch. 2 moons. Do you know what I mean? You could look at it like that, or you could be like, wow, phenomenon. You should be like, science, nature, black holes, orbit. Like, you can do either. Like, you could be like Neil deGrasse Tyson and like it's amazing and like stare at it, or you could look at your smartphone. What do you think people are going to be doing? Instagram, yeah. And even if they look at this moon, it's just for the opportunity to get the photo. They're like, I'm waiting for the moon, man. You know? Yeah. Yeah, human beings spoiling everything. Bring in the automation. Right, Jack? Yeah. Just get rid of us right now. What are we doing hanging on here? Yeah. Come on. Robots, they don't make mistakes. Imagine this show with the AI version of me. No bantering. No flailing. That's a show I'd watch. Guys, I feel like we're being rough on ourselves today. You know? I think we're pretty cool. In fact, mostly Otis and Casper, but we're not bad. We're not bad. No, the robot dog wasn't as... You remember when they were interacting? The Sony robot dog? I still want one of those, though. You know, those are still cool in their own way.